Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. We are from Group 1 will be present about accounting with multiple paradigm owners equity wealth. Before we start the presentation, we would like to introduce the member from Group 1. There are Muhammad Iqbal Wildan Irhamni, Evelina Tania Akilah, Elia Azhara Putri Dida, Indah Era Bashira, and Muhammad Reza Paklifi Anwar. Now let's start the presentations. Anthropology is the study of society and human behavior as well as its of development. Supporters of this view generally state that its technique can be obtained and justified based on their proven use, or their management play a key role in determining which technique will be implemented. Consequently, the goal of accounting research associated with the anthropological or inductive paradigm is to understand, explain, and predict existing accounting practices. For example, Ajiri viewed the mission of the paradigmatic approach as follows: the type of inductive thinking to identify implicit goal within the behavior of an existing system is not intended to be pro-power to be promote the maintenance of the status quo. The purpose of such implementation is to highlight where the changes are most needed and where they are worth making. Changes suggested as a result of such studies have higher likelihood of being implemented in reality. Theories that can be considered as part of anthropological or inductive paradigm: first, information economic; second, analytical agency model; third, earning smoothing or management earning hypothesis; four, positive theory of accounting. Those who apply the anthropological or inductive paradigm tend to use one of the three techniques below. First, technique used in earning smoothing research; second, technique used in earning management research; and last, technique used in positive theory research.
Okay, and the next I can present about the true profit paradigms in accounting. The earning paradigms in accounting refers to the perspective and approach used to understand and measure earnings in the accounting context. The following is an expression of the true profit paradigm is a three. In one, classical approach, actual or inductive profits. And the definition is these profits focus on measuring earnings that are consistent through but on established accounting products. And the characters is one use deductive and inductive methods to determine earnings, and the two and second impairs accuracy and constantly in financial statement. And the objective is classical approach is to provide relevant information for the discussion mixed by considering application accounting principle. The two is discussion usability approach. The definition is this approach emphasizes how earnings information is used in decision making, and the characters is the first focus on the behavior of decision makers and how earning information affects those decisions, and the second use decision making models to analyze earning data, and the objective of decision usability approach is improve the effective of decision made by managers and other stakeholders. And the last is information economics approach. In the definition is this approach discuss between individual case and multi-individual case in the content of profile. And the characters in the first percent earning as information that can be used for economic analysis, and the second considers external factor that affects earnings such as market and economic conditions, and the objective of information or economic approach is provide a broader picture of how earning function in the context of the larger economy.
Next, I'm going to explain about the decision usefulness paradigm or decision model. So the decision usefulness paradigm or decision model emphasizes the importance of the relevance of accounting information in the decision-making process. Accounting information is considered useful if it aligns with or is relevant to the model or criteria used in making a decision. In this context, relevance is measured by how well the information assists users in selecting the best alternative. Sterling explains that a property is said to be relevant if it can be identified and used within a decision-making model But conversely, if the property cannot be determined by the model, the resulting information is considered irrelevant. Therefore, the use of information in accounting must always be aligned with the needs of the decision model so that the outcomes of decisions are optimal and accountable.
Okay, I will explain decision utility, decision making, aggregate, and individual market behavior. Decision utility in account has an important role in decision making at both the individual and aggregate market level. This theory focuses on how accounting information can be used to support decisions taken by various stakeholders, including investor, manager, and creditor. Use decision importance of information quality. High quality accounting information should have characteristics such as relevance and reliability. Decision maker, individual, and aggregate behavior. Decision maker can be divided into two categories, individual and aggregates. Individual decision making involves a cognitive process in which individual analyzes information to choose the best alternative under a condition and uncertainty. On the other hand, aggregate market behavior reflects how large groups, such as investors in the capital market, react to available information. Decision-making theory explains how individuals make choices from various alternatives based on the information they have. Market behavior effect of information on the market. Reaction to published accounting information. Relevance to investment theory. Investment theory is also closely related to decision usefulness. Investors use financial statements to predict future cash flow, which in turn affect the value of the company and their investment decision. Thank you.
Okay, so now I will present about information or economic paradigm. So the value of information is viewed in terms of cost-benefit criteria within the formal structure of decision-making theory and economic theory. This is expressed in the following way. The argument of behalf of accrual accounting rests on the premise that first, accrual accounting based income reporting conveys more information than cash flow oriented accounting system. 2. Accrual accounting is the most efficient way to convey his additional information and its consequences. 3. The value generated by this additional information exceeds the cost of producing it. Accounting information is evaluated in terms of its ability to optimally improve the quality of selection in a selection problem to be solved by an individual must choose between a number of actions that also have different probabilities of outcomes, assuming consistently that rational selection behavior will be directed by the expected utility hypothesis, then the action with the largest expected payoff or utility will be preferred by the individual. In this regard, information is needed to revise the probability of outcomes, so individual will face two-stage process. The first stage, when the information system produces different signal. The second stage, when the observance of the signal results in the revision of probability and the selection of the state with the best action. That's enough from me. I'll get back to the moderator.
That's all from our presentation. We apologize if you did mistake and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.